In this segment, we're talking of order of ratios. Look, the ratios of boys to girls is 3:4, is 1:2. There is a specific order that we follow there. We don't just, assign those numbers to any name we wanna do. What we do, we have specific order. Let's have a look what I mean by specific order. Okay, order of the ratios. Let's consider the following sentences. Number 1. The ratio of boys to girls in grade 8A is 3:4. Okay? This is sentence 1. Then sentence 2. The ratio of girls to boys in grade 8B is 4:5. Cool. Look at the order. Okay. We have boys to girls, and here girls to boys. Meaning this 3:4, we don't just take to be either boys or girls. So the order says boys will take this. Boys come first in this sentence. So 3 is related to boys there, and 4 is for girls. Whereas in this sentence, 4 is for girls and 5 is for boys. Okay, look at the order. And then it's what I said here. Grade 8A, for every 3 boys, there are 4 girls. Is what the ratio means. For every 3 boys, there are 4 girls. Or in here, meaning for every 4 girls, there are 5 boys. If you look at 8B, for every 4 girls, there are 5 boys. This is the order I'm talking of. Look at the word that comes first, boys to girls. Then the same thing with the numbers. What comes first is related to the word that came first as well. So we're taking that order. Okay, let's proceed with other examples here. Okay, now when we compare ratios, we need common denominators. Surely, remember, a ratio can be expressed vertically. Once you express it vertically, it's a fraction. You know it as a fraction. Even if it's horizontal, it's still a fraction, but it's not a common fraction that we used to. So once you express it vertically, it's a fraction. So to compare, like 1/2, 1/3, okay, which one is bigger? So like 1/3 and 1/5. Okay, you know that a third and a half, which one is bigger, like a half. But those ones are easy. What if we give you like ugly fractions, if I'm to say that? 1/7, 2/13. So you need to make the denominator the same. Cool. We have a look now. Okay. We're saying in Lungisa community, the ratio of men to women is 6:7. Good. This is Lungisa community. Now, we're having Wasala community. Wasala community, the ratio of men to women is 23:28. Now, we're saying the question, which community has more ratio of men? Remember, they all start with men, meaning the first numbers are men. But it does not mean 23 is bigger than 6. Therefore, this 23:28 is where your answer is. No, we make these denominators the same. Let's have a look. When we compare, guys, remember, I've got my 6:7 from Lungisa community. This is from Lungisa community. So I multiply this by 4, multiplied by 4, knowing that 7, if I multiply it by 4, will now turn into 28. Now, 6 times 4 is 24. I've got the common denominator there. This, remember, is Lungisa community. Now I come to Wasala community. Then Wasala community is 23/28. It's already there. The denominators are the same. Now, which number is bigger? You say now 24 is bigger than 23. We now say Lungisa community has a larger ratio of men to women. Guys, but if you look at the small numbers, you may think, no, this one it's actually small. But get to your denominators and then you will be able to compare. If you look at this, 24 is more than 23. We say Lungisa has a larger ratio of men to women. Okay, using ratios to calculate quantities. Let's see. The ratio of men to women in Lungisa community is 5:7. What is the total number of men in this community? If there are 540, what do we do, guys? Men is 5 here. If you look at that, mean is 5, and we now say 5 over 12. We add in the ratio for the denominator there. We go 5 for men over 12 multiplied by the total number of people. This will be 225 men. Okay, when we need like actual numbers that formed 5:7. The actual numbers, we take this for men, then you divide by 12, you add the 2, 5 plus 7, you divide by 12 times 540. So it's 225. And then if we need this, women, you will be 7 over 12 times times 540, then you get this thing, a number for the women. This is the number for the men. Now, how many women are there? I can subtract. I can say from 540, subtract 225, then you get 315. Or as I explained, I can use that ratio, 7 over 12 times 540 equals 315. Can you see that they're the same? We know that this is not a compound ratio. There are two things, only two things. 540 total minus mean. We got mean first and then it's 315. Or if you don't want this method, if you don't have this in your mind, you simply go there and then you multiply that, you get 315. Okay, guys, cool. Hope you're happy about this ratios, how we handle ratios. See you in the next segment.